Hello everyone, welcome back. For today's recipe is a type of a Filipino beef shank soup. That is what we called beef bulalo. Kaya naman, pag nagluto po tayo na to, kailangan po natin ng lots of patience to prepare. So we have here 1 kilo of a beef shank or the leg portion of a steer. Ayan. Tapos, we're gonna cut it lang po into small bite size. So isang malaking kaldero or in a big cooking pot, just dive in the beef shank, tapos pour in enough of water to cover the meat and bring it to boil. While waiting na lumambot po yung ating karne, so mag-prepare po muna tayo ng onion at saka ng ating patatas. So we have here 1 onion. We just have to peel it, then cut into quartered. We also need 2 potatoes. So we have to peel it with the peeler. Tapos remove po natin any dark spots or imperfections. Then cut into 4 parts po. So we have 1/2 small size of cabbage cut into halves. So tanggalin po natin yung nasa gitna na matigas na part or yung kanyang stalk. Tanggalin po natin yan at malakas din po yan sa uric acid. We also need 1 bunch of Chinese pechay or yung atin pong tinatawag na king chai. Tapos we have also corn. So isang piraso ng corn, cut lang po natin ito 3 to 4 parts, no? Depende po sa laki. So this corn can help to enhance the flavor po ng ating broth. So ayan, after 2 hours po na pagpapakulo po sa ating beef bulalo, we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Tapos, I remove na po pala yung scum kanina na nag-rises during boiling. Tapos, ilalagay na din po natin yung ating sibuyas. At saka isusunod na din po natin yung ating yellow corn or yung ating sweet corn. So, cover it, then bring it to boil for another 20 minutes. And after a minute of boiling, so ilalagay na din po natin yung ating potatoes. You can add po pala seasoning granules for an extra flavor. Tapos, cover it po ulit and then let it boil for another 10 minutes. So, ayan, at this time, ay ilalagay na po natin yung ating cabbage. Yan. Tapos, kung meron po pala kayong pressure cooker, you can use it, pressure cooker, for about 1.5 hour lamang po yung pagpapa-pressure cook nyo. So, luto na po agad or malambot na po agad yung ating beef bulalo. Ako po ay hindi ko na po siya ginamitan ng pressure cooker dahil possible po kasi or ayaw ko po kasi na malamog po yung ating pinaka bone marrow ng ating beef. At ang huli po nating ilalagay ay yung ating Chinese pechay. Ayan, pakulan lang po natin ito ulit ng mga 3 minutes din. So, ayan, ilagay lang po natin to sa ilalim, isiksik sa ilalim. Yan, para maluto na din po yung ating Chinese pechay. There you go. Our beef bulalo is already done. Have a great sip and enjoy. If you like this recipe, just like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Ito po muli si Lorna Hermosilla na nagsasabing ang mga bagay-bagay ay napag-aaralan yan. Basta't may tiyaga ka lang. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!